CJ, what are you doing? You were trying to eat my feet. Ew. Don't eat my feet. No, no. Don't eat my feet. You guys are crazy. Ew. CJ. You guys are nuts. Ew. You trying to eat my feet. Ew, Miggy. Ew. You got a foot fetish there, buddy? Ew. Ew, you eating shoes? Oh, wow. Mickey, no, don't teach him that. Ew! Don't do that. She got germs. Look at her body in the background.